In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Discover credit card account, providing you with a quick and easy login guide. Whether you're new to Discover or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure you can access your account without any hassle. First, you'll want to begin by directing your web browser to the official Discover website. Simply open your preferred browser and type in the address bar www.discover.com. This is the main portal for all Discover services, so ensuring that you're on the correct site is key to a secure login experience. Once you've arrived at the Discover homepage, focus your eyes on the top right corner. There you'll spot the login button prominently displayed. Click on this button to begin the login process. It's designed to be easy to locate so that you can quickly move forward in accessing your account. Now that you've clicked Login, you'll be prompted to enter your user ID and password. These fields are clearly labeled to help you recognize them quickly. Make sure the information you enter is accurate to avoid any login issues. It's worth mentioning that if you're on a personal device, you have the option to check the Remember User ID box. Doing so will save you a bit of time during your next login by pre-filling your user ID. After entering your login details, you're just one step away from accessing your account. Look for the blue Login button and simply click it to proceed. Once you press Login, the system will immediately direct you to your personal account dashboard. This is where you can review your credit card balance, view recent transactions, manage payments, and explore any rewards you may have accumulated. Keep in mind that keeping your login information secure and confidential is important. Avoid sharing your user ID and password with others, and only use trusted devices to access your account. If you ever forget your user ID or password, the Discover website offers helpful links for account recovery to assist you in regaining access. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily log into your Discover credit card account and manage all your credit card needs online. I hope you found this guide helpful. For more tips and tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for our latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.